Looking to reduce your environmental impact? Redefining your merchandise protection strategy can help. Recent advancements in manufacturing processes and material options helped Sensormatic to develop a new, sustainable acoustomagnetic label designed to protect merchandise and the planet. Say hello to our sustainable SPX label. Plastic-free design for a more positive impact on the environment. Made with renewable FSC reinforced paper. Fabricated using eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Shipped in recyclable packaging. Powerful performance to safeguard against shrink. Meaningful change begins with one action, and Sensormatic is committed to responsible retail practices while leveraging innovative technology and meeting retailers' evolving needs. Our new label can help retailers to protect the planet and reduce environmental impact while maintaining their loss prevention strategies. Discover the new SPX label from Sensormatic.